We're currently at this free campsite about an hour away from Uluṟu. It has lots of spaces, has a few powered sites if you need for a small charge. I've got showers here. I've got a little laundry sink over there where Rowan and Cosmo are at the moment doing the dishes. I've got a nice clean shower block. It's got 4 bars of Telstra signal, but it's quite slow and limited, so I wouldn't rely on that if you desperately need it. It's got a pretty good view of the fake Uluṟu, Mount Connor. Everyone seems quite friendly here. It's a very clean space. It has a communal fire pit just over there. Oh, I forgot to say the name of it. It's called Curtain Springs, and it's on a huge cattle farm, which is really cool. I think Rowan said it's about 1 million acres or something, so it's quite big. And also, if you park towards the back fence, you might even see a horse and a camel, which was so cool. Cosmo loved them too. Camping area could probably fit about maybe 100 vans on a really packed night. So there's still plenty of space even during the peak season. The campground is just next to the service station, and attached to that is a little restaurant, bar, cafe thing. And dogs are actually allowed to sit in the outside area, which is cool. You can even fill up your tank here, but it is a $10 donation towards the Royal Flying Doctor Service. I think that's a pretty decent amount for a full tank of water in the middle of the outback. $10 isn't too bad. There's a nice big shady area with grass right next to the restaurant part, where Cosmo loves to have a little run around. It's also got an aviary with birds in it over there, which is cool. So yeah, all in all, this is a great campsite. We've stayed here for 2 nights now, and we'll probably stay here for another 2 or 3 nights. Overall, this has been the best free campground near Uluṟu, because there's one rest area on the side of the road, which half of it is Aboriginal land that you're not actually allowed to be on. So yeah, this one's an hour away, which is a little bit far, but I mean, the campsite at Uluṟu I think is about $55 per night for an unpowered site, so this is just way more doable if you're on a budget. So we highly recommend this Curtain Springs campsite. Are you sad to be leaving Curtain Springs?